how to export your WhatsApp chats. Alright, it's a very quick and easy process, so just follow along without making any mistakes and you'll be good to go. First, open your WhatsApp and then tap on three dots at the top right. Then open your settings right here. Once you have opened your settings, what you can do is scroll down to find the chats option. Just tap on chats. And here at the very bottom, you can see the option for chat backups, transfer chats, and chat history. So what you can do is go to chat history. And on chat history, you can see an option to export chats. Just tap on export chat. And from here, you can choose the chat that you want to export. And you can tap on the option like here, scroll to here and then tap on more. You can go to Gmail to send an email of your chat history, so like this. Just tap on Gmail. So once you have chosen your desired address where you want to receive your chats, once you do that, you can just tap on the send button. And this will automatically send an email of your chat history and including all of the media and photos from your chats to your Gmail. And that's how you can easily export chat on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.